Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Sandeep Kumar Prajapati, Master of Fine Arts and Bachelor of Fine Arts in Painting from Faculty of Visual Art, Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi. I was also honored with National Scholarship Award under the Ministry of Culture and MHRD, Government of India, New Delhi in painting. I have more than 10 years of teaching experience in fine arts, painting, and 5 years of experience teaching NIOS students. And today I want to talk to all those students who truly love art and painting but do not get proper supports or opportunities in regular schools. Tell me honestly, how many of you love drawing or painting? How many of you feel happy while creating art? But at the same time, people around you say painting has no future. Focus only on science or math. Art is not just a hobby. Art is a career. Art is a skill. Art is a powerful form of expression. And today, creative fields are growing faster than ever before. That is why NIOS Painting Classes is so important for students who want to study according to their passions. At our NIOS Painting Classes, students receive proper guidance, step-by-step learning and complete preparation for exam, practical work. We help students with painting theory, with practical work demonstration, TMA, that is tutor mark assignment, previous year questions, important topics for exam, okay, practical file preparation, live demonstration and doubt solving. And the best part, students can study with flexibility and comfort, whether you are a school students, a working students preparing for competitive exam, or someone continuing study after a gap. And I always give you the freedom to continue your exam without pressure. In our classes, we focus not only on marks, but also on improving creativity, comfort, and artistic skills. Every student receives personal attention and proper guidance. And yes, many students score very well in painting with right preparation and supports. So if you are passionate about painting and want proper guidance for NIOS painting subject, then this class is for you. Do not ignore your talent. Your passions can become your strength, and your strength can become your future. If you want to join our NIOS painting classes, check the details in the description or connect us directly and comment below. What type of painting do you love the most? Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep creating, and keep following your passions. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.